incorporate into our business.
I realized that, and I've been saying some off-tone stuff on those emails.
Okay.
Late at night, I'm just like cursing, like, God damn it, this shit couldn't work.
Okay, so what is XPO? XPO is the Exchange Private Offering System. It's essentially a private form of initial public offering. It's just that the audience for it is just the private investors who are registered on our platform. It is a way of raising louder for your thing. It's a way for companies to raise money by issuing shares of stock directly to investors through a Dutch auction process, which we envision being a replacement for a traditional round raise. It's also a good way to create transferable shares on our system, which could potentially be something which is really positive for your shareholders because they have a way of getting liquidity from private shares they didn't have before. So it's a way of raising funding, and it's sort of this ramp that takes you into the secondary market, which is open market, which is the real NASDAQ-esque exchange. So the way that we distribute shares is through a Dutch auction. So what's a Dutch auction and why would you want to use that? Well, a Dutch auction is a way of determining a fair market price for a commodity and then distributing portions of that, of however many lots of that commodity you have, out to a number of buyers all at the same price. So this is used by OpenIPO for its for share distribution. There's some Nobel Prize work that was actually done to show that this is a really good way of setting a price on something that doesn't have a price before. Because that's the primary issue with putting a company onto the market is that you need to have some sort of market price. What's the company worth? Well, one way of determining that is to put all of its equity or some portion of its equity available in an auction and then seeing how much people are willing to pay for it. So the way that an XPO or an OpenIPO works with the Dutch auction system is you have some quantity of shares which you're offering. Say we're offering 100 shares. And then people will bid on portions of this at different prices. So someone may come in and put in a bid on 10 of those shares at $100 per. Someone else might put in one for 10 at $50 per share. Someone puts in a big order for, big bid for 50 of these shares at $25. Another person puts in another 50 bid on 50 shares at, say, $20. So this is just an ordered list by share price that these individuals were proposing, and the way that you actually come up with the price that you're going to use is by ordering them from highest bid price, lowest bid price, and then just going through